Hello, good evening everyone. Bali, ito na-discuss ko na 'to last time pero ulitin ko lang ulit since malapit na ang inyong defense sa Friday na. Again, ito yung mga kailangan niyong consider bago kayo mag-defense. Wait for a while, naglo-loading pa. Ata, trying to reconnect kasi. Ayan. So, evaluation form, one for each panel. Yung evaluation form ninyo, isinend ko na yun sa inyo. Bawat grupo ay ipiprint yung mismong evaluation form. 6 pages yon. Again, wag na wag kakalimutan na i-print yun dahil yun ang magiging basis para kayo ay gradean. Doon sila maglalagay ng grades ninyo sa ah, written, tsaka yun sa oral ninyo, oral performance sa research. Again, wag kakalimutan. Sir, saan niyo po sinend? Sa inyo pong GC. Ngayon, kung wala sa GC, nasa link po. Nandoon sa example. Hanapin niyo lang doon, evaluation. Ayun. I-print niyo lang. Nandun na yung mga pangalan. Next, 5 folder and pencils. Per section only. Sir, lahat po ba kami? Hindi po. Per section lamang po. Ibig sabihin, 5 folders, 5 pencils lamang sa St. Francis of Assisi tsaka sa St. John Paul of the Cross. Para saan po? Doon po kasi ilalagay ng mga panelists yung inyo pong evaluation form para po natatakpan yung kanilang pag-grade and at the same time meron silang pencil na magagamit sa pag-grade. Next, final thesis, 5 copies. Bakit po? Kasi 5 po ang inyong panelist, si Sister, si Ma'am Paula, si Sir Louie, si Ma'am Abby, tsaka si Ma'am Allen. So, 5 sila, pang-anim ako. So, wag niyo na akong bigyan ng copies, okay lang ako. PPT and laptop, please provide your own laptop or bring your own laptop. Kasi baka mamaya yung kagrupo nyo or yung hihiraman nyo is magkaroon ng problema. Pare-pareho kayo hindi makapag-defense. Next, siguro nalimutan ko ilagay dito yung consent ninyo ha. Consent, no defense. Hindi ko kayo papayagang mag-defense nang wala kayong consent. Ito, food of the panelists, snacks to eat, food for morning, lunch, and afternoon. Ito, depende. So, kayo ay tanghali magde-depends kasi uunahin natin ang ABM and gas para makapaganda kayo ng mas mahabang panahon. So, yun. Ang gagawin ninyo, pag-aambagan yung magkakaklase, yung ibibigay nyo sa judge na pagkain. Kung abutan kayo ng tanghali, so dapat ready kayo. Meron kayong pakain sa kanila. Kung abutan ng merienda, edi dapat meron kayong merienda sa kanila. Ito, option lang to. Halimbawa, tapos na kayo mag-defense. Gusto niyo yung magbigay ng token of appreciation, yun ay optional lamang, hindi sa pilitan. Kung ayaw niyang magbigay naman sa ating mga panelists, okay lang. Wala naman siyang, hindi siya required. Kumbaga, kung na-appreciate niyo sila or if you want to give them gifts, pwede. Formal attire for defense, opo, formal attire po tayo. But uniform is an option. Kasi, bakit? Yung iba kasi possible na wala silang pang formal attire. Baka mamaya umarkila pa so gastos na naman. Uniform is an option for you. Mastery of your research and presentation, why it is very important. Dahil yan po ay final depends. Again, final depends. Hindi basta-basta. So, dapat meron kang mastery sa iyong research at sa iyong presentation. Sir, paano po magkaroon ng mastery? Simple lang. Sa uluhin mo, pag-aralan mo lahat ng mga kailangan pag-aralan, especially the chapter 3, lahat ng laman ng chapter 3, result ng chapter 4, and at the same time yung summary. Ano bang meron doon? Lalo mong pag-aralan ng chapter 1 dahil marami rin doon tinatanong. Next, bring your validated questionnaire including corrections from your previous defense. So kung may validated questionnaire kayo, may pirma naman sila, it means okay sila. Hindi na nila mako-question yung inyong questionnaire since yun nga, na-validate nila. Teamwork and confidence. Teamwork, kaya napakaimportante din 'yan kasi hindi naman kayo matatapos ng sabi nga no man is an island, mahihirapan kayong matapos ang isang activity ng kayo lang. Much better if you will ask for help lalo na sa inyong mga kagrupo. Confidence is the key. Sometimes kahit hindi mo alam or kahit, medyo kinakabahan ka or minsan mali na yung nababanggit mo, 'pag may confidence ka, napakahalaga niyan. Magmumukhang alam na alam mo yung bagay, pero hindi ko naman sinabi na confidence lang yung kailangan. Kumbaga isa lang siya sa key para masabi natin na, maging mahusay ka na communicator at maging mahusay ka na sa defense specifically. Eto next, yan yung sinasabi ko na, formal attire pero uniform option lang naman. Next, possible questions. Ito po yung mga possible questions po natin. What is the significance of your research? Ano yung significance? Alam niyo na naman yan. What are the findings of your study? 'Pag sinabing findings, very broad 'no, napakalawak. So, dapat alamin niyo talaga yung chapter 4 ninyo. What are your recommendations? Ano yung mga recommendations niyo? Puwedeng recommendations for improvement, recommendations based on your study. Bakit niyo nga ba nire-recommend? Dahil may napatunayan kayo. Ano bang napatunayan niyo? For example, napatunayan niyo na ang paggamit pala ng social media ay, may magandang epekto sa mga bata or may magandang epekto lalo na sa mga teenager kung saan ginagamit nila ito sa pakikipagkomunikasyon at ginagamit nila ito sa, nakakatulong ito sa kanilang pag-aaral, something like that. Ano ba yung mga puwedeng recommendations natin na base sa result ng inyong study, sa findings? Then what is your research design? Ano ba yung research design mo? Then what is your research procedure? Ano yung mga procedures niyo lalo na sa STEM? Dapat alam na alam niyo yung procedures niyo, materials na ginamit ninyo. Sa ABM and GAS, ano yung procedures ninyo? Basahin niyo yung chapter 3, dun niyo makikita yung procedures. Then what is your research instrument? This is not a simple instrument na lagi natin naririnig like guitar, no. Ang instrument po natin ay survey questionnaire at yung mga iba pang instrument natin na ginamit. Content validation, validation of the instrument. Of course, nagkaroon naman tayo niyan. Population and sampling, alamin niyo kung ilan ang respondents ninyo at ang population. Treatment of data, gumamit ba kayo ng inferential statistics or descriptive statistics? Yan yung mga possible na itanong sa inyo. Okay. So ito, this is an example of a research depends nung ako ay nag-depends dati. So ganito, let's, pwedeng i-introduce ko yung sarili ko ng ganitong paraan. The researcher is a consistent Dean's lister and whatsoever. I-shortcut na natin. And lastly, SK Chairperson of Barangay Layang-Banga, May Laguna. The researcher is Mr. Romelio Mercurio. Ayun, third person ginamit ko. Pero dahil kayo ay magkakasama or magkakagrupo, ang gagawin ninyo ay papakilala kayo isa-isa. For example, I am Jessica Tarakatak and this is my uh, this is ganito ganyan. Pwede may magpakilala or kaya naman isa-isa kayo. Then after that, sabay-sabay kayong babanggitin, yung title niyo, "The Role of School Publication in Improving the English Skills of Selected Students in Dallas P. Santa Cruz." Now, proceed tayo sa, background of the study or introduction. Puwedeng ganito, "Sir, sabi niyo kanina dapat may mastery." Yes, of course, let's try. Tingnan niyo wala akong babasahin, ito yung kamay ko. Wala akong babasahin, let's try na magkaroon tayo ng mastery. School publication is one of the major components of student services that provides an opportunity for the students. It provides or it consists of writing editorials, proofreading, writing headlines, and more. Kasi ito sasabihin nyo na, on the other hand, participation in school publication, ito kung mapapansin nyo, binabasa ko na. So dapat may mastery tayo, mapapawaw factor yung ating dapat may konti kayong memorize. Dapat ang mga members ninyo ay may kanya-kanyang parte na mini-memorize para naman magkaroon kayo ng mastery. Ayan, so para hindi lang kayo basa ng basa. Sometimes kasi nakakawalang gana pagka yung presenter natin, di ba, nagbabasa lang. So much better if you memorize or if you really know what is important, especially in your research. And going back to the topic, the participation publication improves accuracy when speaking. Tapos ayan, and whatsoever. Basahin nyo lang. After nyo basahin, proceed kayo sa legal basis. This research has legal basis pwede nyo gawin. And this legal basis is a Republic Act number 7079 and ito ay tinatawagan Act providing for the development and promotion of campus journalism and other purposes. Through this act, journalistic skills in students will be enhanced. So basically, you can discuss what's the importance of this Republic Act and how it is necessary in your research. And then after that, text citation and references from other sources are essential in your presentation, particularly when talking about the um, background that study. Background that study could be an a study about something, a study of a certain university, a study ng isang bagay, a study na parang magpapatunay na, okay, 40% pala is ganito, may nangyari pala na. Kaya pala hindi natututo ang mga bata because of anxiety, lack of ideas, and reliance on L1, something like that. It depends upon the situation, and it depends on your research. All you have to do is to give background information, background knowledge, background knowledge about your research. Next, pwede rin sabihin, this study is anchored on the situated learning theory of Jean Levin and Wenger. It claims that the students are more inclined to learn by actively participating in the learning experience and whatsoever. Explain mo lang. And then after that, this is also this is somehow related to the theory of social learning theory, specifically by Albert Bandura. Social learning theory focuses on the learning process that occurs within a social context. It considers that people learn from one another, including observation learning, imitation, and modeling. So in that way, you have to explain why these radical frameworks are, or why these theories are relevant in your research. Kasi dito magbabase yan sa inyong research. Ano ba yung theory na anchor dapat sa inyong research? I-explain nyo siya, bakit nyo nga ba, anong connection yung theory na yan sa research nyo. Hindi ka kasi pwedeng basta maglagay ng theory na hindi mo alam, or na wala namang connection dun sa research mo. Okay, so masyado tayo mabilis kasi gabi na rin. Research methodology. I am doing this kasi dun sa iba, possible na hindi umattend ng meeting, o kaya naman syempre bukas possible na send ako ng link para naman mas lalo kayo maging guided. Pero nga, alam ko naman na hindi lahat na-attend, i-record natin. Magkakaroon tayong recorded video at the same time, online meeting tomorrow. Ayan, so going back to the topic, research methodology, ito kasama rin to, the descriptive method of research, and then after mong i-explain, if you use experimental descriptive research, also mention the text citation or supporting details about descriptive method or even experimental research. The study's respondents, how many respondents are there? How from what school ba? Anong year natapos? The researchers use what sampling he or she used. Purposive sampling ba? Ano kayang sampling yung ginamit natin? Probability and non-probability sampling ba? Which one? Be specific, look for your chapter 3. The questionnaire was distributed, ayun. Also discuss the questionnaire. Why did you use questionnaire, survey questionnaire? Ano bang ginamit nyo? What means of communication? For example, Google Forms, something like that. Or printed materials na ibinigay nyo sa kanila. Next one. Ayan, proceed tayo sa statement of the problem number 1. Ito yung mga statement of the problem. Kung makikita nyo, web statement of the problem, statistical treatment of data, summary findings, and recommendations. Under each statement of the problem, meron tayong nakikita dito na findings. Ayan, ano ba yung findings natin sa age? Ayan, sa age natin, 18 to 20 years old pala. Ayan, sa sex, male. Male nga ba nakalagay dito? Ayan. So, male and female, and then year level, ano yung mga binubuo nun. So, sa conclusion, ito, ganito lang kasimple. The respondents of the study were mostly 18 and 20 years old, and have expertise as well as experience. And after that, ano yung pwede maging recommendations natin? Ayan, the students of different ages, sex, and year level must participate in school application activities to improve their English skills, something like that. You know why? Kasi ito ay proven na based on the result. Nakita naman natin na talaga namang yung mga students na yan are more inclined to learn something. They are also willing na matuto, especially kung yung range ng age na yan ang i-consider natin. Next one. What is the level? Ito yung mga level. Ganun lang ulit. Lagyan nyo lang yung sa summary and then conclusion. Lagyan nyo rin ang recommendation. After, syempre, highly effective to sa mga level. Level ng news writing, sports section, ganyan sa inyo. Kunyari ay motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic and intrinsic motivation, like highly effective or kaya naman strongly agree. Ayun, ilagay nyo lang. So, i-conclude nyo lang, eto, highly effective ba, strongly agree. And then after that, syempre may napatunayan ka. Dahil napatunayan mo na highly effective pala, then syempre, pwede mo ilagay, since the study reveals highly effective, it's recommended that the students or the respondents of the study should continue to what? Ano kayong pwedeng gawin? Or the manager should be able um, to motivate the employees in order for them to what? To become more productive. Kasi possible na ganun yung inyong recommendation. Pero wag kayong gagawa-gawa ng basta recommendation na dapat yung recommendation ninyo, it could be, this should be based on your findings and it should be based on your research. Hindi kayo pwedeng basta magawa-gawa. Next. Eto, so 3, gano'n na ulit, level na ulit. Ito yung sa is there is significant. 'Pag may narinig kayo na is there is significant, ayan, diyan yung sa diyan na rin nasasagot yung ating test of hypothesis kung yan ba ay rejected or accepted. Siyempre may findings tayo, meron din tayong conclusion and recommendation. Ayan. So, pwede nyo ilagay yung result, pwede rin naman yung tables, nasa sa inyo. So, ayan, lagyan nyo rin bibliography. Ito ay ano lang suggested template for your thesis or final defense. Kayo naman pwede niyo naman 'tong i-modify, depende sa inyo. So ayun lang, but, don't forget pala siyempre ito yung mga things to consider natin, evaluation form, 5 folders and pencil per section, final thesis, laptop and PPT. Yung ganito wag na wag niyong kakalimutan, 'di ba siyempre yung research niyo 5 printed, 5 copies. Siyempre ilagay niyo naman ng clip, wag niyong basta hayaan na naka-ano siya, naka nakakalat or kaya naman ay hindi man lang naka-clip. Mas maganda kasi na naka-clip siya, organized para gano'n na lang ng gano'n yung ating panelist. Ganito kalaki sana yung bilhin niyo para kasya. Lagay niyo rin siya sa folder, okey? Ayun, yun lang naman. Good luck sa inyo, kayang-kaya niyo yan. So kung meron kayong mga katanungan puwede sa personal, puwede rin bukas. Thank you. Good night.